Hello, this tutorial is going to cover how to create your graphs in Microsoft Excel. You're going to take the data from your data sheet that you had recorded and you're going to create a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. And again, I haven't put everything here, I haven't formatted it. Remember, everything we talked about should be on a spreadsheet to identify. But for now, I've just got some general data. I have the cycles. How you put the labels or the headings can vary, but just make sure whatever you do, you somehow show me all of the information. What's important here is that you have cycles and then you have each of your trials. Okay. So your first step is going to be, and again this is for Microsoft Excel. If I go to help here, I have Excel version 2010, so you're going to want to check just to make sure what version you have, because the directions will be a little different. But what you're going to do is you're going to select all of your data. You're going to drag over it. Then you're going to go to the Insert tab and you're going to do a scatter. Sometimes it's called an XY chart. So you click on that, and I'm going to recommend that you do a scatter with straight lines and markers, because that will help you see everything that you're going to want to use to answer your questions later. So you click on that and it'll start to grab, as you can see, information. You should have your 4 lines. It'll take your labels, which if you don't like those particular labels, you can go ahead and rename them. You'll notice it has your x-axis and your y-axis. Now, make sure that you know that right now this is an incomplete graph. The legend is there, but it's a little incomplete because you either want to have one form or another, and you want to make sure that whatever form you have, somehow you relate what trial goes with what data. You'll notice that the X and the Y axes are not labeled, so you would need to label those. And there's no title. Remember, you want a title. Ideally, you want the date that was created, and you want a reference back to who created it. In Excel 2010, you'll notice a Chart Tools collection pops up. If you go to Layout, you'll see you can label chart title, axis titles. You can play with the legend. So you can do a lot of things in here. You also have Format. So again, you can add and format your graph. So once you're done with this, again, you can either save everything in one Excel file or you can save them separately. That's up to you.